Let's get to Rick Santelli this morning as well with some data on the menu. Hey, Rick.
Yes, a PMI, this manufacturing PMI from Markit, M-A-R-K-I-T, is expected to be around 58.5, which was the mid-February read. We moved up 1/10, 58.6. We toss out 58.5. This becomes the final read, and sequentially, it is a bit of a reversal. 59.2 was the final January read, and of course, that was a high watermark post-COVID, so we have moved back a bit, but still solid number, well above the expansion-contraction line and well above the cycle low at 36.1 that was in April. Let's move to the market, shall we? Pretty much three-day charts give us everything we need to know in the fixed income side. The sovereign side, actually. Look at a three-day chart of 10. You see the high watermark there on the left, spiked up to 161. That gives us a lot of information. That is going to be an area that we pay close attention to on a breakout. Should we get above it? But now we see the resistance in the low to mid 150s. Look for that to continue to work. It doesn't mean the move is over. Let's see where the support comes in below the market. If you look at Boons high watermark minus 20 basis points. And there's a lot of issues going on with negative rates. A great journal story about how some of the bigger German banks, of course, are starting to move down the food chain on who they're actually charging fees to and fines to hold your money because negative rates, the central bank charges them up minus 50 basis points. That is starting to get pervasive again, negative rates, and it really augurs for a potential stopper bringing in buyers on our long maturities. And finally, year-to-date of the dollar index. This is a key week last week. We held those early January lows where we were closed under 90 the first week of the year, and that was the lowest level since the spring of 2018. Holding there is very significant. Many believe the dollar index may have its worst days behind them. Why? Think about how the rest of the world is. Are we the cleanest of the dirty shirts on the foreign exchange side? Yes, and the reserve currency.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.